everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on kindness. Kindness means being friendly and caring toward others. When we show kindness, we make others feel happy. Kindness can be as simple as saying please and thank you. Helping someone in need is a kind act. Kindness makes the world a better place for everyone. We can show kindness to animals by treating them gently. Listening to others with respect is also a form of kindness. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Being kind makes us feel good inside too. Remember, kindness is free and anyone can show it every day. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.